Hello and welcome to the channel. Agriculture. Introduction to agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and rearing livestock. Types of economic activities. Primary activities directly dependent on nature, that is agriculture, fishing, mining. Secondary activities manufacturing and industrial activities like processing of agricultural products, weaving cloth. Tertiary activities service based activities like transportation, trade, banking, etc. Agriculture as a primary activity involves the production of crops and rearing of livestock. About 50% of world's population is engaged in agriculture. More than two-thirds of India's population depends on agriculture. Factors affecting agriculture. Topography means landform features, soil fertility, climatic conditions like rainfall, temperature, and humidity. Number two, types of farming. Subsistence farming. Farming is done on a small scale for personal consumption. For example, intensive subsistence farming, common in densely populated regions of Asia like India, China, Japan, Southeast Asia. Characteristics small land holdings, labor intensive methods, use of simple tools and traditional methods, high use of fertilizers and irrigation, main crops like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, oilseeds. Primitive subsistence farming includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation means a slash and burn agriculture, practiced in tropical regions in Amazon basin, parts of Africa, Southeast Asia, and Northeast India. Process forests are cleared by burning, ash is used as natural fertilizer, land is used for farming until soil fertility decreases. Farmers move to a new location and repeat the process. Crops grown maize, yam, potatoes, cassava. Disadvantages are leads to deforestation and soil degradation. Nomadic herding practiced in arid and semi-arid regions in Sahara Desert, Central Asia, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Characteristics are herdsmen move from place to place with their animals. Animals are sheep, goats, camels, yaks. Provides milk, meat, wool, and hides. Commercial farming. Farming is done on a large scale for sale in markets. Commercial grain farming. Practiced in temperate grasslands of North America, Europe, and Asia. Characteristics are mechanized farming with the use of machines, large land holdings, main crops are maize, wheat, barley, oats. Mixed farming practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. Characteristics are growing crops and rearing livestock together, use of modern irrigation and fertilizers. Crops are wheat, maize, fodder crops. Livestock are cattle, sheep. Plantation agriculture. Definition large scale commercial farming of a single crop, practiced in tropical regions in India, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Malaysia, Indonesia. For example, tea in India, Assam, Darjeeling, and Sri Lanka. Coffee, Brazil, Colombia, India, in Karnataka. Rubber, Malaysia, Indonesia. Sugarcane, Cuba, Brazil, India. Characteristics requires large labor force, high capital investment, scientific methods and fertilizers are used. Number 3, major crops and their requirements. Food crops, rice, conditions required, high temperature, high humidity, heavy rainfall, alluvial soil. Major producers China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka, Egypt. Wheat. Moderate temperature, moderate rainfall, well drained loamy soil. USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Australia, India. Maize. Warm climate, moderate rainfall, well drained soil. North America, Brazil, China, Russia, India, Mexico. Millets like jowar, bajra, ragi grows in dry regions with sandy and less fertile soil. India, Nigeria, China, Niger. Cash crops. Cotton. High temperature, light rainfall, black soil or alluvial soil. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Egypt. Jute. High temperature, heavy rainfall, humid climate, alluvial soil. India, Bangladesh. Coffee. Warm and wet climate, well drained loamy soil. Brazil, Colombia, India. Tea. Cool climate, high rainfall, well drained soil. India, Sri Lanka, China, Kenya. Farm system. Inputs, seeds, fertilizers, machinery, labor. Processes, plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, harvesting. Outputs, crops, wool, dairy, poultry products. Number 5. Specialized farming methods. Organic farming uses natural manure and avoids chemical pesticides. Pisciculture. Fish farming in ponds or tanks. Sericulture. Rearing of silkworms for silk production. Horticulture. Cultivation of fruits, vegetables and flowers. Viticulture. Cultivation of grapes for wine production. Impact of agriculture on economy and environment. Economic importance. Provides employment, supports industries in textiles and processing, food processing, major source of exports. Environmental concerns, deforestation due to shifting cultivation, soil degradation from overuse of fertilizers and pesticides, overgrazing leading to desertification, water scarcity due to excessive irrigation. Number 7. Food security. Food security means availability of sufficient, safe and nutritious food for people. Importance, prevents malnutrition, ensures economic stability. Ways to improve food security. Use of high yielding varieties, HYV, of seeds. Adoption of modern irrigation methods. Reduction of post harvest losses. Strengthening food distribution systems. Conclusion. Agriculture remains a crucial sector for global food security and economic development. However, sustainable practices must be adopted to ensure environmental conservation and long term productivity.